Welcome to miniOrange Social Login Plugin, to configure Windowslive app. On WordPress dashboard, go on miniOrange Social Login Plugin. Click on Windowslive. We will go through this instruction in this video. Go on Windowslive developer link. On Windowslive developer page, click on Add an app in the Azure portal. Here have to register an application. So click on it. Give an appropriate name for an application. Now go to redirect URL. Get your redirect URL form instructions. Copy it and paste it in redirect field. Click on Register. On next page we will get your keys. Copy client ID format and paste it in App ID field. On Azure AD, go to Certificates and Secrets. Here we need to generate new client secret. Click on Add. Client secret has get generate. Now copy it and paste it in client secret field. Now click on Save. Then click on Test Configuration. Click Yes to authorize Windows app. User attribute of Windows app will get display here. Now go to your Windowslive icon. Here you will get an option to enable and disable icon. Open new tab, go on Login page. On Login form, click on Windowslive icon. You will get successfully logged into the website. This will create new account using Windowslive attribute. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask in description.